In this video, I will show you how to delete all highlights on Instagram at once. So to do that, all you have to do now, after you open your phone, now go ahead and open your Instagram like this. After you open your Instagram, now open your profile at the bottom right side. After you come to your profile, as you can see now, here is all my Instagram highlights. Now I will show you how to delete them all at once. So now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open menu, now tap on this your activity. After you open your activity, now scroll to down and tap on this where it says highlight this section. As you can see, highlights. After you open this highlights, all you have to do now, tap on this, select this one. After you tap on this select, now go ahead and select all your highlight that you want to delete. As you can see now, after you finish selecting your highlights, all you have to do now, tap on this delete button. So tap on this delete again. So now allow it to finish deleting your highlights. As you can see now, it deleted all my highlights. So now if I tap on this back arrow again. So as you can see now, if I now close my profile and go back again, so I will now refresh. So as you can see now all my highlights are deleted. That's it guys on how to delete all Instagram highlights at once. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.